Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the trigonometry involved in the limits. Now let's suppose here we have the question limit x approaches to 0 sine of x divided by x is equal to 1. Now in the first step, if we put 0.1 in place of x, now sine 0.1 divided by 0.1, it will be equal to 0.998. And if we further decrease down the value of x, let's suppose sine 0.01 divided by 0.01, then the value will be 0.99998. And if we further decrease the value of x, then the answer will come 0.9999. It means that as we are decreasing the value of x, then the value of y is approaching towards 1. Now it shows that as the limit is approaching towards 0 or the value of x is approaching towards 0, the value of y or the answer is approaching towards 1. It means that this equation is true. Now let's suppose here we have another question. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x is equal to 0. Now again we are applying the same technique. We are placing 0.1 instead of x. So 1 minus cos 0.1 divided by 0.1, so it will be equal to 0.05. And if we further decrease the value of x, 1 minus cos 0.01 divided by 0.01, so it will be equal to 0.005. And if we further decrease the value of x, 1 minus cos 0.001 divided by 0.001, so it will be equal to 0.0005. It means that as the value of x is approaching towards 0, then the value of y is also approaching towards 0. It means that this equation is also true. Now here we have another question. Limit x approaches to 0 sine 5 of x divided by x. So first of all, let's suppose sine 5 of x divided by x, and if we multiply and divide it with the value of 5 divided by 5, then we can write it as sine 5x divided by 5x into 5 if we place 5 over here. Again, now sine 5x divided by 5x into 5. Now let's suppose we are putting the value of 5x as y, so it will be equal to sine y divided by y into 5. We know that sine x divided by x was equal to 1, so sine y divided by y will also be equal to 1. So 1 into 5 will be 5. Another problem we have, limit x approaches to 0, tangent x divided by x. Again, we know that the tangent is equal to sine divided by cos. So tangent x is equal to sine x divided by cos x into 1 divided by x. So sine x divided by x, we will replace the values over here. We will bring x over here and cos x over here. So sine x divided by x into 1 divided by cos x. So we know that sine x divided by x is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by, and if we place the value of x as 0, so 1 divided by cos 0, we know that it is 1. So 1 into 1 will be equal to 1. We have another problem over here. Limit x approaches to 0, tangent 4x divided by 3x. So we know that tangent is equal to sine divided by cos. So tangent 4x can be written as sine 4x divided by cos 4x. And 1 divided by 3x can be written like this into, so we are multiplying now with multiplying and dividing with 4. So 4 divided by 4. So sine 4x divided by cos 4x will be same as it is. Now here you can see that if we bring this 4 over here and 3 over here, so it will be equal to 4x into 3. So sine 4x divided by, if we place 4x over here and cos 4x over here, so 4x into cos 4x into 4 divided by 3, same as it is. Now here, let's suppose 4x is equal to y, so sin y divided by y, 1 divided by cos y into 4 divided by 3. So we know that sin y divided by y is equal to 1 into 1 divided by cos 0 will be equal to 1. So 1 into 4 divided by 3. 1 into 1 into 4 divided by 3. So answer will be equal to 4 divided by 3. Thank you for watching this video.